Hello everyone, today we will make this crochet tassel earring design. For making this I am using cotton thread, 11 number crochet hook, earring hook and plier. First I am using a paper. I will wrap the thread. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will wrap this thread 30 times and complete my work. Now take it out. Now take the thread. Now I will work single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will make total 31 single crochet and complete my work. I have completed 31 single crochet here. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn my work. Now 1 triple crochet, 2 time thread on hook in next single crochet. Pass through 2 stitches, again pass through 2 stitches. Now 2 stitches on my hook, then 1 more triple crochet in next stitch. Pass through 2 times only, 1 and 2. Again triple crochet in next stitch. Pass through 2 times only, 1 time and 2 times. Now 4 loop on my hook. Now I will pass all loops together. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect in next stitch by slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple crochet in next stitch. Pass through only 2 times, 1 time and 2 times. Again triple crochet in next stitch. Pass through 2 times only, 1 and 2. Again triple crochet in next stitch. Pass through 2 times. Now 4 loop on my hook. Now pass all loops together and chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect in next stitch by slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will get this type of design. So I will follow same pattern till end and complete my work. I have completed my work and connected at last. Now take a long thread. Now I will connect it like this. Now tie this one. Now take this thread to down. Like this. Now I will cut from here. Now here it is. Now I will add earring hook. Now our earrings ready. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.